This is 2.5 weeks after the last treatment session. Here's this guy who initially acted like he was going to blister, but he never really did blister up. It just went into absorbed blister state. And this guy, when I was removing the skin, I made him bleed just a little bit. He never blistered. I want to say the other day I was walking around and I bled just very slightly from this area. Look how white that is. Black, white. The more you zoom in, the more it doesn't look quite so white. Anyway, that's the state. I feel like I honestly wish that I'd gone more ballistic on this stuff. But there's potentially next time if these devils come back.